pretty big snow?
This is, yeah, big snow for Cincinnati anyway. Most I've seen in the 5 years that I've been here. Well, it came over about a 24-hour period, so it wasn't too bad. But it was surprising to wake up this morning and see another half a foot or so. The good news is it's going to be 50 on Wednesday, so it'll be gone. But we got to move it today.
Yeah.
I try to keep in shape, so it's a good way to start it, or keep it going.
All right,
So,
sounds good.
nice use of the non-fitness equipment.
That's right.
Nature's.
That is right.
So, no, it looks like the city's pretty well shut down.